Roll sound, roll camera, and action. Welcome to the Starr Justice Show.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Starr Justice Show. Today, it's me, Liberty, and I'm going to be doing a review on AdaptedMind. So let's go to math.
Hi there. Pick your math grade, and we'll get started.
So, I'm in 4th grade, so I'm going to be reviewing the math first with smart practice. I have a pen. You guys can get a pencil crayon, crayons, marker, so anything. I'm using a pen. Munchkin Castle Feeding Frenzy.
Look, munchkins! Help feed the hungry munchkins.
So, this is a question that I'm going to be doing with you guys. So first, I have my paper right here. This is my paper. And I have something to write on. Now, I'm going to write the question. So I'm going to write. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the question, and I'm gonna be answering it with you guys. So I'm gonna be making it. Okay, there. So, that's the question, right, guys? Yep. So, now, I'm going to answer it. So, guys, what's 1 take away 8? You can't do that. So, you see the 5, you cross out the 5, the first 5, right here. Okay, so you cross out the 5, the first 5 right there. Then you write a 4 on top of it. Then you cross out the 1. Cross out the 1. And then the 1 becomes a 10. So now, so there. Now that we have that, we can do 10 take away 8. So what's 10 take away 8, guys? It's 2. If you said 2, you're right. So, now that we have that 2, what's 4 take away 8? We can't do that either. So, we cross out the second 5. And then it becomes a 4. And then after that, you do the 4 becomes a 14. So the first 4 becomes so let me show you. So it should look like let me show you. Here, am I showing you this or oh, wait, hold on. Oh, so that's the 4, and that's the 1. Yeah, 14. And then after that, you do 14 take away 8. So what's 14 take away 8, guys? 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So you would write a 6.
Okay, well,
Now, so far we have 6. We should have 62. Now what's 4 take away 3? Guys, it's 1. If you said 1, you're right. Now, 7 take away 6 is also 1. So, let's see. On my paper, it says 1162. I hope it's right, guys. Let's cross our fingers. 1162.
suddenly he heard another one.
Ooh, we were close. We had 63 instead. So we were super close, just 1 behind. If you guys got it right at home, then hit the like button.
Let's start with our ones place first. But we have 1 minus 8, and 1 is less than 8, so we have to borrow from our tens place. Let's look at our tens place. Well, 5 is less than 8, so that means we have to look at our hundreds place. Now, 5 minus 3, we know 5 is greater than 3, so we can definitely borrow from here. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow 1 from our hundreds place. So our hundreds place becomes a 4, and we can add 1 to our tens place. Now we have enough in our tens place to borrow for our ones place. So we're going to borrow 1 from our tens place, so that becomes 14. And we can add 1 here to our ones place now, and now let's subtract. 11 minus 8 equals 3. 14 minus 8 equals 6. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And 7 minus 6 equals 1. The correct answer, our difference, equals 1,163.
Well, now I already have this pet, so I'm going to show you. If you get the pet, you have to get 3 questions right in a row to get the pets. So I got Woosley the elephant, Squirry the squirrel, I think, or the flying squirrel or something, a bat or something. And Jumper the frog, I got Jumper 2 times. I just customized it. This is Ligar and this is Iganyu. See? Then there's more you can get. See, this is how you customize it. So you tap on it. When you get it, you can power it up with your diamonds. But I already have Jumper, so I'm not going to customize this one. But if you guys want to see me customize the Jumper, hit the thumbs up. I'll do that probably at the end of the video. Now that we saw math, how about we see reading now?
Okay, anyways.
So I already all the levels in this, but I can still read any. I read this one already. I read this one and I finished it. I never finished this one. I never read this one. I never read this one, or this one, or this one. I think I'm gonna read one part of this. So, selfish. Concerned only with oneself without regard for others. Selfish people do not think about how their actions may impact others. Awaken. To have been woken up. Last night I was awakened by the terrible thunderstorm. Swollen. Larger in size due to the
Larger in size due to the absorption or collection of fluid.
She fell and twisted her ankle, which became swollen and painful. Okay, time to read it. Deep in the forest, in the river, lived a large crocodile. He was a very selfish crocodile. He didn't want any other creature to drink or bathe in the river. He thought it was his river. Every day he shouted to the creatures of the forest, "Stay away from my river. It's my river. If you come in my river, I'll eat you all." So there's a crocodile. Here's a cheetah or a leopard. Then these are probably some crabs or something. I think this tiny thing is a mouse. Then a turtle or a tortoise. There's a hippo, a monkey, antelope, I think that's called. Bird, a dragonfly, a butterfly, and I don't know what that is. Next page. And there's a giraffe, a snake, there's an elephant, and another monkey, a pelican. So there were no fish, no tadpoles, no frogs, no crabs, no crayfish in the river. All were afraid of the selfish crocodile. The forest creatures kept away from the river as well. Whenever they were thirsty, they went for miles to drink other rivers and streams.
I watched this before on YouTube.
Every day the crocodile lay on his great big back in the sun, picking his big sharp teeth with a stick. Last page. See, 3 of 4, so there's one more page. But early one morning, the forest was awakened by a loud groaning sound. Something was in terrible pain. The creatures thought that it was an animal caught by the crocodile. Groan. But as the sun came out brightly, they saw that it was the crocodile who was there. He was lying on his big back holding his swollen jaw, and he was crying real tears. I've heard one of these stories before, but not from here. Which word is the opposite of selfish? Greedy. Oh. How did the crocodile spend most of his time? He did all of the above. He laid in the sun and picked his teeth. He spent a lot of time talking to the other animals in the forest. He was usually fishing and hunting in the river. Maybe he did all of... I'm wrong. What is the effect of the crocodile's selfishness? The water is very deep and cold. The river is polluted. The crocodile has no friend. There are no other animals in the river. I don't know. Crocodile has no friends. Oh, I'm wrong. If you guys think you got it right, then good job. Now I'm gonna go, how do I go back here? Okay, so now that I checked out that, I'm going to show you guys science, social studies, and then super skills. Okay, so I think we could learn about, we can watch a video in the ocean. So we can explore an ocean and learn about some animals and stuff inside the ocean. There's coral, the whales, dolphins, all these stuff. I'm gonna finish learning about dolphins. I learned about dolphins already. Oh, I already finished. Well, if you guys want to see a video, there's some cool videos here. I don't think I can watch it again. Yeah, I can. Well, then I'll see whales or sharks. Do you guys want me to see whales or sharks? Let's see whales. No, not coral reefs. I want to see whales. Okay, there. Big blue whale. There's, what is a bubble net? There's orcas. There's nosy narwhals. And there's dancing whales. I want to see the narwhal video. See, how long is this? It's only 2 minutes, so we can watch it. Well, guys, that's all I can do for today. But if you want to see me do the pets, then watch another video when I do AdaptedMind. I give AdaptedMind 2 thumbs up. How about you? Click the link in the description below to buy AdaptedMind.
Did you like our video? If you did, click the thumbs up button, the bell button, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Starr Justice Show.